expense management within organizations is a topic that comes up frequently. Whether we're talking about tracking or managing corporate card expenditures or employee out-of-pocket reimbursable expenditures, these have challenges for the accounting department and the users or the operational staff alike. Typically, organizations utilize manual processes. I've seen spreadsheets, I've seen almost shoebox approaches in which they turn in receipts, and that is a bottleneck for any organization. One is if I utilize the concept of a sales rep, do you want that sales rep focused on delivering that information to your accounting department in a manual perspective, or do you want them selling the products that you have? What we look at for organizations is the current process, even if manual, and what data is being captured, and then look at the marketplace to find out what solution best solves those issues. Divvy, being a technology-driven credit card product, allows a solution for the corporate credit card component that is far superior than any other product that we've seen that integrates with the ERPs that we're familiar with. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date on tips that can help your business.